to edit aesthetic sunset tones using FOODIE app.
Before we begin, I noticed that most viewers of this channel haven't subscribed yet. If you want to be updated whenever I upload new videos, please subscribe to my channel and be part of our growing community. Lastly, don't skip ads to support the channel. Thanks, and I love you so much.
Before and after. Open FOODIE app. Click on Edit. Under Filters tab, look for S14 and adjust to 100. Under Adjust tab, add brightness -40. Contrast -44. Saturation 34. Color, highlight purple 50. Highlight -33. Shadow -33. Sharpen 10. Warm -21. Now you're done. Save it.